Got just a little bit of chai. I would hope so. I don't know. I can't remember what it's called, but that's what I was craving for day to day after the gym. Type of meal, probably not the best, but if it is, whatever. So I don't care. Does it look like it's a lot or not? It doesn't look like it's a lot, but hopefully I haven't been here in a minute. First, we're gonna go in on the broccoli beef. Broccoli beef. A little mushroom so I can power up. If you don't like mushrooms, you need to get them taste buds up, buddy. I think mushrooms, olives, pickles, what else? They all land under the same category of food that people really don't like. Did I say olives? I don't know why. They're actually really good. Look. It's crazy, but it's so good. Bit of rice. Alright. I go in on some nudes. I like me some good nudes. Nothing crazy, nothing major. The best thing on here is probably the mushrooms and the broccoli beef. The noodles are lacking in some flavor. The rice, well, it's rice, you know what I mean? Tastes like how it's supposed to taste. I think that's fair. Overall, I'd give it probably like a 7.3. I'll show you somewhere where I got it. Oh wait, got some egg rolls too. Delicious. Out of the park. I'm gonna fuck this all over. Think I'll eat all this? Probably not. But we'll see. We'll see.